what makes Tiffin Motorhomes so well renowned? Is it their build quality, their 50 years that they've been in business, their beautiful factory in Red Bay, Alabama, or just all the luxuries they have to offer? With so many different choices available in Tiffin Motorhomes, it can be overwhelming to decide which model best suits your wants and needs. So in this video, we're going to be going over one of each model that we have available at Vogt RV World and the features and specifications that might make each model uniquely serviced to your RV needs. At Vogt RV, whenever we decided to make this video, we thought it'd be helpful to create a graph that goes over all the base key features and specifications for each unit for our viewers to take a look at. So we're going to leave that on the screen here for just a few minutes. Feel free to pause and take a look at everything that makes each unit unique at the spec level. Keep in mind, as we go through these units at Vogt RV, we order all of our units with what we believe to be the most popular and marketable options available to each trim level. So our Allegro Red, for example, might have some options that aren't standard for the floor plan. Here we're standing in a Tiffin Allegro Open Road. It's their Class A gas motorhome. There are 5 different floor plans available in this motorhome. When a lot of people are looking to choose what Tiffin motorhome is right for them, they're always wondering, should I get a gas motorhome or a diesel motorhome? Well, there's lots of different things that can help you make that decision, and I'm here to help you decide which one is best for you. So the biggest difference between the Open Road and the rest of the lineup is, of course, that it's on a Ford F53 Super Duty chassis. It's got a 7.3 liter V8 engine. Now, its interior is just as luxurious as the rest of the Tiffins. It's comparable to, I'd say, the Allegro Red or the Byway. So now we're standing in the Tiffin Breeze. This thing only has one floor plan available, and this thing is compact. That's the most important thing about it. It's easy to park, it's easy to get in campsites, it's easier to store, but it is not low on luxuries. You got a full-size kitchen, full-size bathroom, and you're on Tiffin's Power Glide chassis. So you get some beautiful luxuries like independent front suspension. This thing drives like butter. So the Breeze does not cut any corners on luxuries or build quality, even at this amazing entry-level diesel motorhome price. You have some amazing features like solid surface countertops. It has the space for a combo washer and dryer prepped in it, and it has real wood cabinetry and drawers with residential hardware that come out 100% of the way. You have residential faucets and a 30-inch fireplace in your living room. There isn't anything in the Breeze that wouldn't help you stay comfortable. Now we're in the Tiffin Byway. This motorhome has 3 different floor plans available from Tiffin, and take a look. We're just in the Breeze. Look how much higher these rooftops are than in the Breeze. This unit is Tiffin's most affordable diesel motorhome, but it is still a full-size motorhome to get you out on the road. Now in the Tiffin Byway, you're not short on any amenities and luxuries to keep you comfortable on the road. Just like the Breeze, we got solid surface countertops, but unlike the Breeze, I've got a full-size residential LG refrigerator in here, and now I have a stackable washer and dryer. And look in this living room, there's enough space for 9 to sit comfortably. The Byway has everything you need to get on the road in style. So now we're standing in a Tiffin Allegro Red. The Tiffin Allegro Red has 3 different floor plans available, and I'd consider it like the Byway's older brother. It's got a lot of the same shape and feel of the Byway, but the luxuries have just been enhanced. They've got this beautiful tile floor, this beautiful inset ceiling, and everything that just, when you step in here, it is bright and it looks beautiful. So now a lot of the main differences in the Allegro Red, besides just the look, feel, fit, and finish of the unit, are going to be the chassis side. So differently from the Byway, the Allegro Red has Freightliner Road Watch, which comes with your adaptive cruise control and your TPMS system. It also has a larger diesel engine in it, which lets you tow 10,000 pounds as opposed to the Byway and Breeze's 5,000 pound capacity. Now this Tiffin Allegro Red model is at the length where we've gotten a bath and a half. And something else that's important to notice, so whenever we go into the Phaeton and the Bus you don't see it, is we've still got a step up in the rear of this unit. So anything over 36 foot in the Tiffin lineup is going to end up getting a bath and a half. So in this unit, you'll notice I've got this beautiful rear bath here, which also has our washer and dryer and shower in it. And then up front, we also have a mid bath that is always accessible while you're driving down the road. So Tiffin is really, really good about, if you have a mid bath, you can always get to your mid bath and your refrigerator when those slides are in while you're driving down the road. Now the easiest way to know the difference between a Phaeton and a Red is just walking into one. When you walk into a Phaeton, you can immediately see all the different luxuries and the fit and finish and the design and care that goes into this Tiffin product. So the Phaeton is Vogt RV World's most popular selling Class A diesel motorhome and has 4 different floor plans available. Of those floor plans, the Phaeton also has the opportunity to sleep the most people out of any of the other diesel motorhomes in Tiffin's lineup. Now we're sitting in the special edition, Midnight Edition Phaeton 37BH. Now with that Midnight Edition, you're going to see this beautiful dark color and carbon badging and black rims all across the unit. So some unique things about the Phaeton is just when the highest of the luxuries start to become optional or standard. So the Phaeton can be optioned with an aqua hot and heated floors, and at Vogt RV we order all of our Phaetons with heated floors. It comes standard with an electric cable reel and a Starlink prep. It also has the same size engine as the current Allegro Bus. So we are in a 450 horsepower Cummins diesel engine with independent front suspension, and you're not going to drive anything that feels better on the road than a Tiffin Phaeton. So now we're going to talk about the Tiffin Allegro Bus. The Tiffin Allegro Bus has 4 different floor plans available, and right now we're actually in a special edition Tiffin Allegro Bus. It is a Bob Tiffin special edition. Now when you're taking a look at this video, keep in mind that this is equivalent to a Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP with a few different stylistic changes in the fit and finish. The floor is unique, and Bob Tiffin, he really loved his cars. So you'll see on our slide trim right here, we have a car grille, and we've got pictures of his favorite classic cars in the unit. So now the Tiffin Allegro Bus is when all of those optional features on the Phaeton, they really become standard. So you've got 2 rooftop awnings that when extended all the way create an entire campsite for yourself. All of the shades in this unit are powered, and at the 45 foot we even have a tag axle with Freightliner steer safe on it. We have an underbelly freezer, and you can lock all of your basement storage from a panel on the passenger side. So Tiffin's highest end product that they make is called the Zephyr. And right now it's custom order only, so I don't have one to show you, but we do have one on the way. What makes it different from a Phaeton or an Allegro Bus is how unique everything is on it. They actually just came out with a second floor plan, so there are 2 floor plans on the Zephyr, but it's also their model that has a 605 horsepower diesel engine. So it is their most powerful model by far. Thank you for taking a look at the Tiffin product line with us today. Leave a comment about what you enjoyed most about the comparisons in our video and what features on the Tiffin product line are most important to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see any future walkthroughs or comparison videos we ever put out. Happy camping, everyone!